come and fight? No. You want them to come and fight? No. We came here to come and beg. Please. Please, we don't want to mention name like this now. You understand? But please, anybody that is there, please make him just remove his hand. Make them leave the land for Abel'S. So may Almighty Allah be with all of us.
Amen. Well, actually, I'm here purposely because of this main subject matter, in respect of the land unlawfully hijacked by Lagos State government without any court order or without any just cause. In this matter, we went to court.
And the chairman of the Lagos State Task Force, CSP, Shola Jejeluyi, he came here to submit this petition to avoid blood shelling at Etiosa community at Ologolo Lekki.
Where's the other man?
Sunana Mohammed Aminu daga Kano State. Na zo ne protecting din Abu Ebe. Baba Tinubu, Jeje Loye, Sheyi Tinubu, Chief of Staff, da Allah ayakuri, da Allah ate.
The rightful owners of the land away. When we try to make inquest, now where are they from? Because the owner of the land has all the rightful documents with him with the Lagos State consent of the said land. They told us that they are from the Chief of Staff office, Mr. Tayo Akimade Ayinde. We approached the police officers there, please can we know where you are from? They said they are there on the instruction of CSP Shola Jejeluyi, Lagos State Task Force. We tried all we could do to talk with them to know why they are on this land. They started sending us away with talks and everything. And we think as the lawful citizen of Nigeria and Lagos State, we should not go into violence with them to avoid bloodbath. We should come here to submit our petition to the Lagos State House of Assembly. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. In the office of the Chief of Staff to the governor, sir.
Look at it.
Thank you so much.
The Chief of Staff is not bigger than the House of Assembly.
Yes, that is why we came here.
Nobody is bigger than the institution.
Yes, sir.
Commendable.
Yes, sir.
So I want to urge you or enjoin you to continue in that state.
Yes, sir.
Continue to conduct yourself peacefully, calmly, and orderly.
Yes, sir.
While we look into this matter,
Yes, sir.
I can assure you the House of Assembly will look into it. As soon as the petition gets to the Right Honourable Speaker, it will be allocated to a committee for resolution. And then you will be invited.
Yes, sir.
Where is the petition?
God bless you, sir.
I'm Honourable Sonny Gani Babatunde.
And sorry, sir, you said we are going to come back. You didn't give us any details or dates.
You will be invited.
You will be invited very, very soon.
The petitioner, not you.
Yes, sir.
The petitioner will be invited.